Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can connect your Trello account with your workspace on Notion really quickly using the Trello integration here on Notion. So let us get started right away. Head over to Notion, make sure that you're logged in with your associated account. After that, select the workspace in the top left corner, and what you want to do is access your account settings here on the left hand side. And here inside that menu, pay attention to that panel on the left hand side, and here head over to the connections section, and here you will see a list of all of your installed integrations and connections. You may also install new integrations and connections by clicking on see all here and by browsing through that list of supported connections. So let me look for Trello really quickly. We got, for example, Gmail, we got ClickUp, we got Linear, OneDrive, Zoom, and there we go. Here we have a connection with Trello. So click on connect here to initiate the linking process. After that, Trello will ask you for permission to link your account with Notion. So make sure that you're logged in with the correct account. You may switch it as well if you like. Scroll down and give Trello the permission to finish the linking process with your workspace here, for example, by clicking on allow here. Wait for the linking process to be finished. Trello will then authorize itself to access your Notion account. And once the process has been finished, guys, you will see the active connection here at the top. As you can see, my Trello account has been successfully connected to my Notion workspace or account in general. So you may also disconnect your Notion and Trello accounts by clicking on these three dots here and by clicking on disconnect account here. Confirm that and to revoke the permission or connection, and that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.